Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I'm here to quickly tell you why you might want some DecalGirls, or Decals as Canadians would say, DecalGirl decals for your whatever you're doing, your drone, your laptop, whatever. I use them on everything I can. I love them. Here's why real quick. Okay, this is, as you may or may not know, is a DJI Mavic 2 Pro, which I've had for about 2.5 years. And I've decided it needed a new paint job. And I pulled off these old skins, which I had so that you could see the difference. Here's the old skin, which obviously looks fabulous, but you can see it's hit a couple things over the course of time. But look at how amazing the drone looks underneath that. It's like perfectly preserved, the drone. And just so you know, in terms of removing these and changing them, they are super easy. Watch, look, I just left this one piece on there so you could see how easy it is. You just simply pull them off. Look at that, good as new. And then we're gonna replace it with a cool new flame paint job. That's right, we're gonna put a brand new flame paint job on my favorite drone. I'm very excited about that, but I thought you might be curious if you're looking at Decals from DecalGirl, and you wanted to know if they for me, my biggest question was, number one, how hard do they put it on? I'm telling you, they're not hard to put on at all. Number two, the second question is, how hard are they to take off? Which you've now seen. It doesn't leave a residue, anything like that. It is super easy to do. And number three, absolutely protects your aircraft, your laptop, whatever it is, short of you running it over with a car or something like that. You know, that's an exaggeration, but it has done a fabulous job for me. So I'm gonna recommend that. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score, all day, all night. Love it. Okay, quick check back in. I made one tactical error. First off, I love the way it looks. I love the protection, everything I already said about it, but here's the problem. I forgot I have to buy extra ones for the batteries because the kit only comes with enough for one battery and the drone comes with 3. So I'm a little short there. I'm gonna have to get myself some more flames for my batteries. But overall, this is still, I really love it. I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.